another video. So today I have two very special guests, which is my cousin and my other cousin. So say hi.
Hi.
So today we're going to be making a airplane skit. So let's get started.
Oh my gosh, girls, we're gonna be so late. Oh no. We're gonna be so late for the thing.
No!
Come on, rush through. Ah!
Gosh, guys, what is that annoying noise?
I have no idea.
Ugh, it's so annoying.
Stop! Whoever that is, stop! This airplane is noisy.
Ew, somebody burped. Gross. Ew. So disgusting.
Yeah.
Ew. Ew, I hear somebody peeing.
Yeah, that was the
Ew.
dog.
Ew. Muddles.
What, dude?
Why did you just pee so loud? Like, we're in the back seat, you know. It better not stink. You better not be going number 2. Oh, I did. Ah, it stinks! We're gonna die. Guys, how much longer?
I don't know. It's been the longest 6 hours of my life.
And I have to go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom then.
Well, I don't know where it is. I have to pee so bad.
Ask Muddles. He's been in there like 20
Muddles!
What? Look,
Where's the potty?
over here?
Thank you.
On top of his head.
I'm gonna blow it! Right here! Okay, I'll go wee.
Really?
Back.
Really? Thank you.
Why?
She peed in there. She peed in the corner. She peed in the airplane.
Everybody pees in the airplane.
Yeah, but they pee on the toilet. Yeah, they pee on the toilet.
Oh, there was a toilet in the corner. You guys, it was a porta potty. Duh.
Thank God. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
I'm so annoyed.
Why'd
So
you make this
bored.
weird? What?
Because I want out.
What's going on?
I'm so bored.
Attention, everyone. There's 30 more minutes left on this plane ride. Have
Yay! Stop it, Fergus! I don't care if I'm your sister. I don't care. Stop it, Fergus!
So annoying.
Stop it! Haha, Turbo didn't come with you. Hee 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 hee. Hey, that's not funny. It is too. Guys, give me a laugh. Guys, the pilot's coming to us.
Oh God.
Get in your seat.
Guys,
Guys,
these babies are annoying.
yeah, why are the crying babies so annoying?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's so annoying. Oh.
Hey, stop talking about that like to our children. Then let them
Oh,
be
guys,
quiet.
the pilot's coming to us. Ah! Dun. Excuse me, ladies. I would like you to be a bit more quieter for the plane ride.
Turbo.
Fergus! Yeah! Bro, hey! So nice to see you.
You too.
I just work here, so yeah. Ladies, you need be a bit more quieter, please.
See ya.
No way, Jose.
Jose. Of course not. Definitely not.
No way.
No,
We
get
can
out
do whatever we want.
Get out of
Turbo. Hey! I gotta go fly the plane, you dudes. Hey, stop doing that, you poopies. Oh!
Poop, 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 poop.
So annoying.
Hey, pee, 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 pee.